Hello, my name is Adrienne Wallace, and today I will be introducing the Future Ready Schools FRS framework, highlighting best exemplars for transitioning to digital learning and reflecting on what this framework means for my school district in high school education, as well as defining digital learning and digital transformation. Digital learning is a shift toward technology enhanced, flexible, student centered, personalized, and innovative learning processes. FRS champions digital learning within a systemic student-first planning approach. Example would be a blended web design unit where students rotate among many lessons, adaptive coding challenges, and peer feedback via portfolios. Digital transformation is a systemic redesign of how a school district plans, teaches, assesses, budgets, staff, and partners using digital tools to improve equity and outcome. The FRS framework believes digital transformation in education must be strategic, inclusive, and system-wide for the effective use of technology and digital learning. An example would be district-wide move to a standards-aligned LMS, common data dashboard, job-embedded PDs, and device connectivity plans that involve continuous improvement. What is a framework and why should we implement it? The Future Ready Schools Work Framework, created by the Alliance for Excellent Education, is a student-centered, research-based model that helps district align technology, leadership, and instruction. It is built around 7 interdependent gears. At the center is student learning, reminding us that every gear should ultimately benefit student success, equity, and digital citizenship. Schools tend to buy tools before building systems. FRS flips that script. It's a research-based planning approach that keeps student learning at the heart of decision making and provides structures, tools, and leadership pathways. The first gear, curriculum, instruction, and assessment, is future-ready curriculum emphasizes learner-centered environment supported by innovative leaders, equitable opportunities, and adaptive technology. Educators design culturally relevant, personalized instruction using multimodal resources and innovative assessments that allow learners to demonstrate understanding in multiple ways. Data is central, guiding instructional decisions, tracking progress, and helping both educators and students build fluency in assessing growth and mastery. Personalized professional learning. Future-ready professional learning is intentionally designed to build leadership, strengthen instructional practice, and support strategies for student success through personalized, job-embedded opportunities. Technology expands access to high-quality learning, enabling collaboration, coaching, and data-driven reflection across geographic and time barriers. By fostering a culture of continuous growth and innovation, future-ready leaders ensure professional learning directly enhances teaching effectiveness and improve learner outcome. Budget and resource. An effective budgeting process requires a strong understanding of school finances across all levels and strategic planning that supports both short-term and long-term learner-centered initiatives. Budgets must align district and school priorities, ensure consistent funding and recurring and non-recurring costs, prioritize equity for marginalized student groups. By incorporating metrics such as total cost of ownership and return on investment, districts can sustain innovative learning environments while maintaining accountability and efficiency. Community partnerships. Future-ready community partnerships connect schools with families, businesses, organizations, and other stakeholders to extend learning beyond the classroom. Using face-to-face, digital, and social platforms, these partnerships create networks that enrich student experiences and integrate real-world context into education. They ensure learning is supported by a broader community, both locally and globally. Data and privacy. Emerging technologies allow districts to build secure, data-driven systems that inform instruction, personalize learning, and track student growth. Educators use data to guide teaching, while students develop fluency in self-assessment and mastery, all within environments that prioritize privacy, security, and ethical practices. By protecting and responsibly leveraging data, schools can differentiate instruction, support authentic learning, and model responsible digital citizenship. Robust infrastructure. When integrated into a comprehensive strategy, technology expands teaching and learning opportunities while ensuring equitable access for all students. Strong infrastructure enables anytime, anywhere learning, supports both individual and collaborative work, and promotes mastery-based progress. By partnering with community organizations, Future Ready schools extend digital learning opportunities beyond the classroom. Use of space and time. Student-centered learning reimages how time and space are used by aligning instruction with individual needs, interests, and pacing. Through approaches like competency-based and blended learning, supported by innovative technologies, students gain more personalized, flexible, and accessible opportunities. Future Ready schools intentionally design all spaces as potential learning environments, fostering collaboration and anytime learning anywhere. Collaborative leadership emphasizes student-centered digital learning. It's the glue that ensures each gear is aligned with the others. It fosters collaboration, equity, sustainability, and digital transformation. It's the driver that prepares students for a globally connected world. Study Case 1. One exemplar for FRS in motion is Stephenville ISD in Texas. It used FRS to build comfort with technology and family engagement, resulting in teachers increasingly integrating technology into instruction, from digital science notebooks to physical lab reports to band practice submissions and parent communication through platforms like Seesaw. Guided by the Future Ready framework and leadership self-assessment, the district adopted a measured, research-based approach that emphasized collaboration among teachers, technology staff, and leadership to align funding, platforms, and implementation strategies. Superintendent Underwood stressed that while managing devices is straightforward, true success lies in the leadership, communication, and gradual cultural shifts needed to build comfort, buy-in, and purposeful digital learning across the district. Another example is Bristol Warren, Rhode Island. District leadership publicly branded its commitment to FRS, clarified shared operational definitions, and reinforced the vision across meetings and communications. Tight coupling of leadership, vision, and practice, resulting in innovative teaching, boosted teacher, family, and community buy-in, and expanded the district's external professional network. Through Future Ready work, Bristol Warren educators gained recognition as ambassadors for tools like Flipgrid and Seesaw, while the district joined the Digital Promise League of Innovative Schools. Connecting digital learning. From devices to design, FRS pushes us to design learner-centered experiences rather than simply digitizing worksheets. Moving from devices to design ensures that technology enhances creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving rather than reinforcing outdated teacher-centered practices. It reflects the larger FRS vision, which is technology is not the goal itself, but a tool that fosters engagement, equity, and deeper learning. For example, in a history class, the device approach, a teacher would upload a worksheet into Google Docs for students to type in their answers about the civil rights movement. In the design approach, students select from options such as building a website timeline, curating a virtual museum exhibit with multimedia, or recording a podcast where they role-play historical figures. Technology supports creativity and storytelling, not just digitized note-taking. Our quick start could be 30 days, convene a team. 60 days, launch a pilot. 90 days, reflect on evidence, refine, plan to scale with budget, partnerships, and infrastructure checkpoints. To recap, digital learning is a technology-enabled, student-centered learning. Digital transformation is a systemic redesign using framework like FRS. Call to action, EBR would be a cohesive, equity-driven digital learning district where technology, budgets, PD, privacy, and infrastructure all align to instruction. This will give EBR a clear vision, stronger capacity across schools, improved equity of access, and measurable student-centered results that can be sustained and scaled district-wide. EBR could shift outcomes from compliance and standardization to equity, personalization, and long-term success for all students. Thank you.